Hello, everyone. My name is Val, and I am the American Sign Language teacher where at Kennesaw State University. And I would like to invite all of you to join my class that's going to be happening soon. There's going to be a night class April the 20th. And then there are two more classes starting Wednesday, May the 6th from 10 until 12. And then the second class is for those people that have already taken up ASL I, and that's from 1 until 3. Or if you have some knowledge, okay? So let me just show you a few signs, all right? So, hello, hello, how are you? How are you? Welcome, welcome. Thank you, thank you. I'm fine, I'm fine. What's up? What's up? So you'll be learning those phrases and so much more, and learning how to communicate with the deaf community, who are some truly great people. All right. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.